Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you spend your money wisely so you don't have to regret it later. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the speed demon, AnkerMake M5C, and on the right, the futuristic wizard, Creality K1C. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be faster than your last Amazon Prime delivery. All right, let's start with the basics. Price. The AnkerMake M5C is priced at $399. That's right, folks. It's cheaper than your monthly coffee addiction. On the other hand, the Creality K1C comes in at $599. For that price, you could probably buy a small island, or, just a really fancy 3D printer. Next up, we have speed. The AnkerMake M5C boasts a respectable 500 millimeters per second with its PowerBoost 2.0 technology. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. But wait, Creality K1C is here to steal the crown with an insane 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like they strapped a rocket to a cheetah and said, "Go print something." Now, let's talk about ease of use. AnkerMake M5C offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easier to control than your smart fridge. Plus, it comes with a user-friendly app that reviewers love for its intuitive design. Meanwhile, Creality K1C promises a plug-and-play experience. It's like setting up a new smartphone, minus the annoying software updates. Auto-calibration, auto-Z offset, auto-leveling, it's practically a self-driving car. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward setup and operation, making it a favorite among beginners. For print quality, AnkerMake M5C has a precision mode that supports up to 50 micrometers resolution. That's like printing with a laser pointer. And with its 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, it's compatible with a wide range of filaments. Reviewers note that while it excels at smaller prints, it can struggle with larger projects. Creality K1C, not to be outdone, features a clog-free direct extruder and a smart AI function with 1 micrometer resolution AI LiDAR. Yes, you heard it right, AI LiDAR. It's like having Tony Stark's Jarvis monitoring your print. Reviewers praise its superior print quality and reliability, even on larger projects. Cooling and reliability. Because no one likes a hot mess. The AnkerMake M5C has wear-resistant components and a PEI flexible magnetic plate, making it as reliable as your grandma's cookie recipe. However, some reviewers have noted issues with larger prints. The Creality K1C, however, takes cooling to the next level with upgraded fans and a special air duct. It's like having a mini hurricane inside your printer to keep things cool. Reviewers highlight its robust cooling system and consistent performance. Reviewers generally appreciate the AnkerMake M5C for its speed, ease of use, and solid build quality. However, it can be noisy and has some issues with larger prints. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is praised for its superior print quality, ease of assembly, and robust cooling system, though it comes at a higher price point. So there you have it, folks. The AnkerMake M5C is the budget-friendly, speed-loving, user-friendly option that'll have you printing faster than you can say 3D. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is the high-tech, AI-driven, super speedy beast that's ready to take on any filament challenge. Which one is right for you? Well, that's up to you and your wallet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. Until next time, happy printing!